Alright, so I just got the biggest package from Quickstyle Motorsports. Just to show you how big this is. It's bigger than me! But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this because this is my new front end. No more Rocket Bunny. No more Rocket Bunny. And so I went ahead and unwrapped the fenders. So this is paint, and then the white is how it was. So they painted it, and then they wrapped the white half in that gray. I did like that gray, but I also just got the paint color that I'm gonna be going with for this car, so it had to go. But I am gonna keep this look. I like how the black is down there, so I'm probably gonna keep that and paint the white parts in the color that I want, or that I got. But I'm in the process of moving this whole thing to the storage unit, and we're gonna start putting these pieces on. All right, yeah, just got it in there, fit it perfectly. Other fender back here, bumper right there. So that's gonna be a wrap on that one, and same here, off to the place. Testing fitment. This could be pushed in more, but that's nice. This is a S15 fender, and then we could just, I don't know, we'll have to figure that out. We gotta trim this part down because that's what's hitting, keeping it from mounting. But overall, that's nice. I like that. I'm liking the way that this is going. I'm liking the way that that's going. This shit's gonna look aggressive as fuck with that splitter and that side skirt.
Yeah, to get some absolute last night.
Uh-huh.
It was not absolute. It was not.
Well, that's one coat. One coat of base. I'm gonna do another coat of base, and then we're gonna go with the color. Went ahead and got it, fit it as well as possible. Fitment on this. I like the way that look. I like the way that look. Black base coat on one fender. Old fenders removed. So what I went ahead and did, we threw a third coat on, and then just put it on here carefully. I'm gonna go get some chicken, but it's a third coat of base. By the time we get back, this should be dry, and then we'll go.
I got a stick.
Cause you fantastic. Alright, well, I died. But then we're gonna mask that part off and then paint the top with clear. I mean, not clear, with color. So this is a good example. It'll be just like that, and then color right here. Let's do it. Also got the old front end off. Primed and ready to sell. Mask job.
Fuck it, mask job.
Fucking mask job. And the huh, and the hum, and the hun, and we finna. All right, this is what I'm working with now. This is the first coat of paint, officially. It's looking good. I'm gonna do 3 coats of paint, 3 coats of clear, and we're gonna call it a wrap. And so this is the first coat. It definitely needs to go over a black base coat, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. All right. So this is the color after 3 coats? 3 coats? I think it's 3 coats. So we got, it's a color shift. I haven't clear coated it yet, but it's purple, a little bit of silver and blue, and then directly in the light, you get the gold. So it's kind of like a midnight purple type of thing. But yeah, I'm definitely happy with that. I'm definitely happy with that. Okay. It hasn't dried yet, but this is the last coat of clear, the third coat of clear. As you can see what the masking looks like when it's done. I wanted to keep this black, but have that all colored. So we have the top part colored. Some dust got in between the clear, which kind of irritates me, but whatever. So we have the top colored and the fins are colored, but the bottom half is still black, and that's what I was going for. But as far as looks, I am happy with it. I like how it just shifts. It's very subtle. It's not like super bright. The only reason you're seeing it is because I have the flash on. So at nighttime, this will probably look like purple, but as soon as the light hits it, it might, you know, well, you see, it'll be goldish. I'll do a recap of what paint I'm using at the end. So this one is, once this dries, this one's done. This one's going for color now, and then I'm gonna just do 3 coats of color, 3 coats of clear, and this one will be done. And the bumper will be next week. I'm not gonna record the whole process of painting the car from front to back. I'll probably eventually, you know, when I get done with it, repost it, and or, you know, in the video say how many coats it took, cans it took to do the whole car, or I might just comment on this video. But so far that's pretty much it. So let's knock this one out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm gonna cut it short because my phone's getting ready to die and I don't have a charger out here. I'm on that second coat is drying for that color wise. So I'm gonna do 1 more coat of color on that, and then 3 coats of clear, and we're gonna call that a wrap. This one, I went ahead and not hard mounted, but just kind of put it there since it's dry to kind of see what it would look like on the car. And you can see that it's not on there, and I can also see how bad my paint job was, but at least that's part that's under the hood. The other one doesn't have that. I fixed it on the second fender, but whatever. Just remember the paint is 80% prep. So this is the new front end, and this is the new color. Kind of like the color scheme, kind of like the way that this came out, minus the clear coat, because a lot of dust and stuff got in between it. I don't have a buffer or anything like that right now to get that out, but ultimately I'm liking the way that it is. It's not all the way in there still, but it's sitting nice. It's decently wide, so they'll match the rears with those wheels. And the front bumper is pretty aggressive. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, but yeah. So this is a Kazama Racing front end, or Kazama Racing V2 body kit, wide body kit. There's a V1 version that's not as rare, but the wide body one is the one that's rare. As far as I know, it's only like 5 cars that have this, so that's why I went with it over the Rocket Bunny, and there's my luck right there. Good thing I was done with this. So when it comes to the paint, this is what I was using. 3 coats of base black, 3 coats of chrome coat golden night, and then 2K clear coat, and that's the result you get. Hopefully dust doesn't get in yours though. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Kazama Racing wide body and a new paint color. So till then, I'm gonna finish painting this thing over the weeks and keep you guys updated. So you'll slowly see this car change color, because next is the bumper, then the hood, then the doors and mirrors, rear fenders, trunk, rear bumper, and then I'm gonna do the back and top of the frame of the car all at once. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, follow the build, and see where we go with this. And yeah, till then.